here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make this quick win table topper. It just uses 4 12-inch blocks. I've chosen my blocks from the Smooth Sailing quilt. You can find blocks to put into this table topper either with my sampler quilts, and I'll put a link to that in the description, or join me for my free scrap busting workshop where I will show you how to bust your scraps in fun and creative ways and give you even more ideas of blocks you can put into this simple table topper. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. Okay, to make a table topper, you're going to choose 4 blocks. We're going to put those into a 4 patch. Once you get your 4 patch sewn together, it's going to measure 24.5 by 24.5. We're going to sandwich our quilt. So take our back. I've made this so I have an extra inch all the way around. I just cut it the width of the fabric. And I'm going to tape my edges and clamp to the table where I can. So you can see I've taped the edges on the table, and then I've clipped where I can to the table, and I just use those large binder clips. Next we're going to put the batting down. So I've spread my batting out over the back of my quilt, and next I'm going to just spread out the top of the quilt on top. So you're just going to lay that out and smooth it all out so it's even and nice, and then you'll start safety pinning it. So I'm just going to take safety pins and go in the corner. Then I go about every 5 to 6 inches along the top, and then I'm just going to go down the sides the same way, and I'm just going to fill in everywhere with the safety pins so it doesn't move while I'm quilting it. Once you get it all basted, then you can quilt it. I'm thinking I'm going to quilt like rolling waves, just gentle curves along, or maybe some clouds. You can decide if you could do stitch in the ditch, just whatever is easiest for you. Once you get the table topper quilted, we're going to square up our sides and remove the excess batting and backing and cut my edge. I have a square edge, and I will just do that all the way around. Next, you're just going to want to bind your table topper, and that will finish our beach table topper. It will measure 24 by 24. Have fun!